Alright boys, we got something a little different this time. We got a CF MOTO 800 EFI V Twin, and I know for starters our battery is cooked, but I did get an AGM battery for a replacement, so we're going to replace that, check some fluids, and see if we can get it to fire up. All right, we got the new battery. Let's see what happens. Nothing. This thing's out of gas. I put the new battery in it, checked all the fluids, everything's checking out. I did put some gas in it because the gas was low. And we got 818 miles. And we got a B. How many hours? Or let's not worry about that. Voila. God. So after a quick ride, the left case is leaking oil. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but she is leaking oil. There it goes, dripping right there. So it's gonna need this left case replaced. Shouldn't be too bad, but we will continue on the CF MOTO.